Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Xiaomi 11T Pro. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones and tapping on the search bar. Over here you need to type Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. Then open it on both smartphones. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you can finally click on Receive on Xiaomi 11T Pro and Send on your Xiaomi device. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now you have two connection ways. You can input this key here and just tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, choose this scanning icon over here, tap on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now you need to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always find some kind of files app like File Manager, go into, in my case, Images and look for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!